Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blacklisting people in Garena Free Fire. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you don't want to see chats from a specific person in Free Fire, it's easy to block them by adding them to your blacklist. When you are on the chat page, simply tap their profile area to open a pop-up, and then select Blacklist this player, then tap Confirm on the pop-up. Now that person is in your blacklist, it will hide any messages that they might send. You can view a list of your blacklisted users by going to the settings, and then selecting Chat Blacklist from Basic Settings. This shows everyone who you've blocked. You can easily unblock them again by tapping the unblock icon next to their name. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.